logarithm and anti-logarithm. We know that if we raise 2 to the power 3, we get 8. So logarithm is the inverse of indices. This is indices. So we say that the logarithm of 8, this is the number that we had. So the logarithm of the number 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. We can also write logarithmic equations as exponential equations. So when we do this, we call it the anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm. So when you do this, is the logarithm. Now, if you see a logarithm in which the base is omitted, say log 8, then in this case the base is base 10. So this is what we call the common logarithm. Common logarithm. Logarithm to base 10 is called the common logarithm, and we can write it for simplicity as log 8. Now if you have something like this, log x, this is what we call the logarithmic function, and the domain is x greater than 0. That's the domain of the logarithm function. We also have the laws of logarithms. So they are very similar. If we have logarithm of two numbers that are multiplied to a given base, then we share the base for them and add them. If they are dividing, we share the base for them and subtract. If we have a logarithm of a number which is raised to a given power n, then the power comes to multiply the whole logarithm. Now let's talk about some two properties. We have logarithm of the base will give us 1. A is never equal to 1 or 0. Logarithm of 1 will always give us 0. Again, the A is not equal to 1. Now let's solve some questions using the properties that we just look at. Log to base 2 of 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. Find x. So what we do is to write this as an exponential equation. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now we know 2 to the power 5 is 32. So we have 3x minus 1 will give us 32. So we solve for x now. So we have 3x is equal to 32 plus 1, which is 33. Dividing both sides by 3, we are going to get x is equal to 11. So the correct answer is D. Now let's look at this one too. You want to simplify this, so you are going to get log, this is the same as log 8 to the power 1 over 2 all over log 4, then minus log 2. So we now apply the laws. This will come and multiply. So we have 1 over 2 log 8 all over. So now this one they are subtracting, so it was dividing. So log 4 over 2. Now this will become 1 over 2 log 8 1 over 2 log 8 over log 2. We can simplify this further. So this is log 2. We can also write this one as log 2. So we have 1 over 2 log 2 to the power 3 all over log 2. So we can simplify this further to obtain this. We can multiply this. We are going to get 3 over 2 log 2 over log 2. So this goes here. Then we are left with 3 over 2 over 1, which will give us 3 over 2. So the correct answer is C. Now we have this. Find the value of A if log to base 10 of A plus log to base 10 of A squared is equal to 0.9030. So you write them. They are adding, so the logarithm will multiply now. So we have log A cube is equal to 0.9030. So this is to base 10. Now we write this. We take the antilog of this. We are going to get A cube is equal to 10 to the power 0.9030. Now this will give us 7.998. So A will be equal to the cubic root of 7.99. This will give us 1.998, and this is equal to one decimal place we get 2.0. Sorry, this is supposed to be the cubic root. So 2.0. We can rewrite this as, so we have 1 over 3, then we have log, we know 125 over 8 can be rewritten as 5 to the power 5 over 3 all to the power 3, 5 over 2 all to the power 3, then minus, then this one can be written as 2 log 2 over 5, then plus log 80 over 125. Now this will come and multiply this. We are going to get 3 over 3 log 5 over 2, 3 over 3 log 5 over 2, then minus, let this one come here. We are going to get log 2 over 5 to the power 2, then plus log 80 over 125. Now, this will give us 1. So, because this and this are dividing, this and this are dividing, so we have log, to give us log 5 over 2, log 5 over 2, then minus log 2 squared is 4, then 5 squared is 25. Now this will be equal to, we have plus log 80 over 125. So now this and this are subtracting, so we divide. So we are going to get log 5 over 2 divided by 4 over 25, then times 80 over 125. So now this will be equal to, now log. Now this becomes 5 over 2. This becomes 5 over 2 times 25 over 4, then times 80 over 125. Now we know 5 times 25 will give us 125, so this will cater for this. Then 2 times 4 will give us 8, so 8 will go into 80 10 times, so the whole thing simplified to 10. So we are going to get logarithm of 10 to base 10, because the base was already 10. The base was 10, but we're not writing it. So log 10 is equal to single 1.